Try the Sportster S now, Heaven. I think I like the more modern. That's just me. But how do you start this? Oh gosh, how do you? This kickstand though is hard to get to. Did you? Is it in neutral? Oh, this clutch is so light. In neutral. You know, this bike kind of sounds like a. Except it's just smooth and more modern. I can feel the heat off the exhaust, but I don't think. Yay, Sportster S! I love the gray color. Trying to figure out the turn signals on this thing. What mode is it in? Okay, it's in road mode. Oh yeah, I like. I don't know why. I just like the feel of a modern bike more than I do the. I like a little bit of character, which I feel like Moto Guzzi has character, but still feels modern. Like I like Moto Guzzi better than I do. It takes a little effort to turn this in, but it ain't bad. This bike feels great. Do you think you look cool? What? You think you look cool? No, I'm just joking. Huh? Oh yeah. Use there. Oh man, yeah, this bike feels good. I didn't even really get to. Oh, I like this, Evan. Top of it though, so it's kind of okay, even for me. I know it's small under me, but yeah, I actually ain't got a problem with the seat. I mean, it's hard. Like it's hard, but it's not uncomfortable. It feels really smooth at low revs. It ain't upset with it. But it really starts pulling once you get going. Dude, I dig this motor, I really do. Man, yeah, like I don't know why people give this bike hate. They're like, oh, I don't feel like the old school Harley. Well, I actually like that. It's smooth, man, but it doesn't make a fuss. It just goes, like it's quick. Like the Harleys, like, or the, you know, not the Harleys, but the classic Harleys. Like I rode that 117 Breakout. I mean, it's got a lot of torque, but it doesn't feel fast. Like this one actually feels fast without, but it doesn't like waste a lot of just making a bunch of noise, kind of like it's gonna go fast. It just, and it sounds good though. This. I actually like the way this sounds. I wonder if it has a slip-on on it. I don't think it does, but it's got a little I don't know what you call it, a little rasp to it, but it's weird because it's smooth, and the clutch is so light and easy. You know, two or one finger easy on this, and the brakes easy. The handlebar, or I just feel like everything's nicer on these. I do. And the thing is, they're cheaper than the other Harleys, but I feel like they're better bikes. Dude, this thing will go. I'm not even barely getting on it. Oh yeah, this might be the quickest bike I've ever rode. It really might be, because I'm not even taking it up to red line or nothing, but it goes, man. That's what I feel like I'm gonna slip off the back, but so it kind of makes me, that's what kind of keeps my throttle hand from staying on it. Just feeling like I'm gonna slip off the back. But dang, I like the sound of this bike. Actually, I dig it. I totally dig it. I might actually want one of these, Evan. Younger, more I don't know what you call it. Younger riders, I think, would appreciate the Nights, that one you're on, the Nightster S, or Nightster Special, excuse me, or the Nightster, whatever. And that this one or whatever 1250 Sportster S. I was getting ready to call it custom. I mean, on smooth roads, I have no problem with the suspension whatsoever. I actually like the noise it makes. I think it's got it. I mean, stock versus stock. without a slip-on your 117 breakout or whatever, or, you know, one of the Softail models, this bike I think makes a little bit better noise. But I don't know, I guess that's a personal preference thing. Don't take as much of the breakout. But yeah, this bike's smooth. Like between 2 and 4, it's chill. It's perfectly fine, just cruising. It's weird. I can't hardly feel the upshifts or on this, but they happen. So that's a little different. But I guess that's something you get used to. The lever feels a little. I think that'd be my biggest complaint, or only real complaint would be that lever so far on this, you know, short test ride that we get. The shifter, the shift lever, because it feels a little, it's so light that I can barely feel it when I click down through my boot or shoe. So it's not got a lot of resistance on it, or a lot of feedback to know that you got it where you need it to be in gear. For me, I mean, I'm doing fine. I've not had no missed shifts or nothing. I just ain't got a lot of feedback or feeling in it. Feeling a little bit hard now, but at least initially it wasn't uncomfortable. You could put something on here probably, though. I don't think this is a long distance bike, but it is smooth, and I think it does have cruise control. Yep. Yeah, this tall tire, I mean, unless you're going really slow speed, it don't really hinder you too much making turns. Brakes good. But I mean, on the go, it feels just like any other bike almost. I think the position, you're more up over this bike, almost up over the, for me anyways, up over the steering wheel, or what do you call it? The handlebars, or over the tank, pretty good. But it's not in like a really bad bent over position, or not to me anyways. And I can feel the heat from the exhaust a little, but I mean, it's not making me, I mean, on a hot day it might be a little aggravating, but it's not like it's gonna burn you. You'd have to really, that's what I like. I just like how smooth this is, man. And I like how it feels quick. Like, I like it. It's quick but smooth, and I enjoy it. Yeah, I mean, this has me thinking, like,